A federal court ruled that you cannot ban same-sex marriage in California.
Absolutely. Yeah.
In other words, my weekend with Andy just got a lot more interesting. I proposed to you on the air and nothing.
I'm already married.
Yeah. People still talk about the Super Bowl halftime show. Yesterday, the tightrope walker, remember him? Remember him. It was 48 hours ago. The tightrope walker from Madonna's halftime show said, "My nuts are fine." Yeah. What's strange is that he said that in response to the question, what's it like to work with Madonna? Anyone here go to Jack in the Box every